Good morning, Mr. Higgins. The graph you were looking at shows the trajectory of costs escalating out of control on a typical luxury remodeling project. Even after being told it would be much lower, your rescue mission, should you choose to accept it, is to show clients how to prevent costs from rising out of control once a project has started.
Mission accepted. I'm not one to set myself up for failure, but I want to be honest here. I don't have high expectations that this will be a successful rescue mission. That is, unless you're willing to reimagine the remodeling process with us. Are you with me? Good, because this is an entirely new approach. Research shows there's one question everybody asks: why do luxury remodeling projects go over budget? There are hundreds of answers to this one question, but the one underlying theme that comes up with every one of those answers: we didn't know something. We didn't know what we would find behind that wall. We didn't know that there were other options. We didn't know what a client didn't understand. We didn't know how our product would look. So, if you start a project with a bunch of unknowns, then you're going to pay extra for each of those unknowns along the way. So how do you figure out all of these unknowns? Well, research also shows there are 5 contributing factors to the success or failure of remodeling cost controls. They are discovery, ability to anticipate, planning, project management, and changes. But the first 2 have the greatest impact on figuring out unknowns that drive remodeling costs through the roof. They are discovery and the ability to anticipate. Discovery is in-depth research. It's digging into places most wouldn't think to dig.
Why would they throw this out?
It's about asking the right questions.
So you would or would not use a dog door if one were provided?
And then asking more questions based on the answers of the first questions.
Would you like the remote feature or the manual key punch?
The ability to anticipate, according to Daniel Coyle's article, and I'm paraphrasing here, the ability to anticipate is the learned ability to recognize the telltale signs your project has and then recalling information from past projects to inform you on how best to proceed with your project. That's just a fancy way of saying I learned a few things along the way, and then I use those things to inform me how to proceed with your project, in a nutshell. So, as you can see, a remodeling team with thousands of hours of experience has so many more experiences and memory banks to tap into as it would help guide you through your project and its costs. So this, my friend, is how you rescue yourself. Now it's your mission to find a highly skilled remodeling team with years of discovery experience who also has the rare ability to use what they've discovered to anticipate the best direction to keep your project on time and on budget. The 5 main factors that contribute most to a successful remodeling project are discovery, the ability to anticipate, planning, project management, as well as changes. If you'd like to know more, please visit our Learning Hub page. In the coming weeks and months, we'll have more information and videos to help you with your renovation project.
They're still pretty good.
Time to start your luxury remodeling project? Click below to find out how ECAP and LEAPy can help you avoid the pain of out-of-control costs, avoid projects taking longer than promised, and best of all, how to avoid negative contractor experiences.